Hey guys, what is going on? It's tutorial number 11, and today we're talking all about Boolean operators. What are they? Why should you care about them? What are they useful for? I'm going to be telling you guys all about it. So, I guess that's the intro. Let's go ahead and get started. So far, we've learned all about if-else statements and the expressions that go along with them. You know, like if 5 is less than 7, do this, else do this. Well, Boolean operators allow us to take these logical expressions and mix and match them together. And this lets us take our if-else statements really to the next level. And so there are three different Boolean operators that I'm going to show you today. And I'm going to start out with, first off and foremost, an exclamation mark, okay? And this I'm going to basically describe as not, okay? And the other two that I'm going to do are, oh man, I'm terrible at drawing ampersands. But those are two ampersands, and they are going to represent and. And then we have these two lines right here, which can be found on your keyboard by hitting Shift and then hitting the backslash button. Okay, and this is going to be the Boolean operator for OR. So these are the three that I'm going to be showing you guys today. Let's go ahead and do an example in Eclipse with not, just to start off. Alright, so to start out, I'm going to go ahead and write a cout statement up here, and this program is going to give a reaction based on whether or not Fidel Castro is dead. Okay, so cout is Fidel Castro dead? And I'm going to come up here and I'm going to define a bool. Okay, we are working with Boolean operators, so expect a bool sometimes. Bool dead equals true. And remember, a Boolean value can only be true or false. So in this case, I'm going to say that Fidel Castro is dead, because this variable dead, it equals true. Okay, so let's go ahead and write out an if statement, and this is where my Boolean operator is going to come in. So if I say if he's not dead, you're going to write OMG, he's not dead. He's still alive. Okay? And obviously we're gonna need that cout statement right there. What was I thinking? And we go ahead and do our else statement, and I'm going to write else cout. Yeah, he's dead. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and run this, see what happens. Yeah, he's dead. So, okay. What happened was it came through, it checked to see if he was dead, and if he wasn't dead, it was gonna write, OMG, he's not dead. But, I mean, up here I did say that it is true. He's dead, so, yeah, he's dead. So, what if I change this guy to false? I just want to show you guys that it works. Hit the program to run. And, OMG, he's not dead, he's still alive. Okay guys, so that is the first Boolean operator. Let's go ahead and move on to AND. So with this Boolean operator, I'm going to go ahead and show you how it works by changing the program in Eclipse that we have right now to a program that tells you whether or not you are Harvard material based on your GPA and your ACT score. So let's go ahead and ask the user to enter your GPA and ACT score. Okay, and we will create some values for those scores to be stored in, and I'll just call it double GPA and double ACT. And then we'll do a cin statement for that real quick. Cin GPA, cin ACT. Okay guys, so the way that this AND statement is gonna work is we will do our if statement, and in order for this person to be accepted to Harvard, let's say that their GPA needs to be over or equal to at least 3.8. And their ACT score needs to be at least 30. Okay guys, so you see where this comes in handy? It's satisfying two different logical expressions. It's either these two or nothing. It can't be just one, it has to be both. So we'll go ahead and do a message for them. See out. You made it to Harvard. Congratulations. Else we'll just have it see out like you're garbage or something nice like that. All or nothing. You either win or lose. So, okay guys, let's go ahead and test this program out and make sure I did everything right. Enter your GPA and ACT score. So I will do 3.8 and 32. Let's see, I think that's a perfect score. I made it to Harvard. Alright, let's try something a little bit different. How about, I have a 4.0 GPA, but I got a 5 on my ACT. So that makes me garbage automatically. Yeah, that is very depressing. So anyways, hopefully the AND operator makes sense to you. Let's go ahead and move on to the OR operator. I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video real quick and write a really simple program asking the user their opinion on, I don't know, Oreos or something. And I'm gonna show you guys why the OR statement is so useful. Alright guys, so this is that program I wrote. I'm gonna walk you through it real quick and then show you how we can improve it with OR statements. So I've got my string answer up here. I'm just using that for the answer they're gonna give me. And I ask them, do you like Oreos, yes or no? They're gonna give me their answer, and if their answer is yes, I'm gonna say yeah, Oreos are great. If it's no, I'll say well, that's your opinion. And if it's not yes or no, I'm gonna say answer not understood. So let's go ahead and run it, and so I'm gonna type in yes, and it says yeah, Oreos are great. But here's the thing. Some unsuspecting user is gonna put, you know, something like capital Y, and it's gonna say answer not understood. The program won't know what to do. So the way we get around that is we come up here in the parentheses and put our two big lines for our OR statement, and we could say answer equals capital Y. And so next time it's gonna be able to check, is it yes or Y? And if it is, it'll say, oh, they're still saying yes. That makes sense. Yeah, Oreos are great. And we can do this as many times as we need to based on, you know, whatever possible input we think that our user is going to give us. Okay, guys, and I don't think I really need to explain much more about it. You could obviously do it for no and do different variations of no in this else if part, but that's a really useful thing for OR statements. There's a lot of other things you can do with it. But anyways, alright, congratulations. You have officially learned about Boolean operators. Make sure you're getting lots of practice. Show these videos to someone you know if you know they could use them. And subscribe. Alright guys, thanks a ton. Have a great day. See ya.